And here's Connor. Hi, Connor. He's such a beautiful puppy. Connor's only about 5 months old. He's a sweetheart. I think maybe he's got some Rhodesian Ridgeback in him, but he's definitely a mix of a few things. But he's very on the small, he's on the petite side, so maybe some Shepherd, Rhodesian Ridgeback. Oh, there he goes. Connor. Hi, boy. Got a pretty dark muzzle, sort of like a Shepherd. But, you know, he's your little south of the border mix. He's got a white chest and white paws, so he's definitely got a few breeds going on. He's very small, though. I mean, he's probably, maybe get about 40 pounds. He'll stay petite. I think he's about maybe 25 pounds now. So he'll grow a bit more, though. Anyway, if you want a sweet, playful, energetic dog, Connor's your man, or your dog.